Hola mis amores, Johnny here, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about 5 different beauty trends that I'm really excited and I'm looking forward to see in 2023. Beauty has been changing the past year, and as you know, I'm a content creator in the beauty space, and I'm always looking for the new trends and the new things that are popping on the space. So now let's talk about 5 of the ones that I'm really excited about to see this year. The first one is skin minimalism. At its core, it means just reducing the amount of skincare products that we apply to our skin, applying it only when you need it, and minimizing your routine. This comes from the idea that a lot of people are just following elaborate routines on social media and not really applying the products that actually benefit their skin. And sometimes these extra products just have a different effect than the one that we want. Instead of being a helpful step to our routine, maybe it's something that is not really helping our skin at all. In terms of skincare, I feel like people are gonna continue to use niacinamides and hyaluronic acid and other products, so they have multiple benefits to kind of like minimize the amount of products that they're applying. Sustainable and upcycled beauty. We have seen a lot of eco-conscious skincare and makeup brands that are really raising the bar on the standards for themselves and for the consumers. We have brands nowadays that they are certified carbon neutral, zero waste, with eco-friendly packaging, and they also upcycle, reuse, and recycle. They do all of that, and they can still provide us clean and amazing products that are gonna benefit our skin and our health. Just make sure that you pay attention to all of the marketing about green consciousness brand, especially when it's a newly launched brand. I would pay attention to that. And listen to the recommendations online about who are some of the real brands that you should actually apply on your skin and support. The third trend is one that I've been obsessed with, because if you know me personally, you know that I'm a blush kind of girl. And I believe that blush draping is definitely going to be a big trend in 2023. This is a softer version of what the 80s used to do in terms of blush application. And if you see it, I'm currently wearing it right now. So if you think about it, it's just bringing the blush up to the temples and making sure that it blends out to your brow. Having this kind of like a C shape on it, I think that it just brings up the blush and the face a little bit better, and it just frames the face super beautiful. And I think that a lot of people are finally starting to catch up on this. I've been doing this for years. Now let's get into it. Let's all get into it. Come on. The fourth trend would be bold colored eyes. And really what I'm talking about is like single color eyes. I'm talking about bright fuchsia. I'm talking about electric blue. I'm talking about baby apple green. I'm talking about full on baby pink. Just like a cute but bold minimalistic look that it's something that is literally gonna make every head turn when you enter into a room. And if you want to use like a more subdued version of that, I would just recommend using kind of like a no makeup look and then use a colorful liner to kind of like bring that color back into your eyes as well. And the fifth one, it would be velvet nails or texture nails like these ones that I'm wearing right now. Sensory experiences is where it's at when it comes to nail trends for 2023. Add metallic shimmer colors that they will prevail in creating optical illusions. Or if you want something cute but glam, just add some stones like I'm doing in mine. I think that the memory of a feeling, it's gonna be something that people are gonna start to love and appreciate a little bit more on their nails, especially when you're touching somebody. So I think that there's gonna be a lot of artists that are gonna be experimenting with nails, and I hope to see some kind of like velvet, fur, maybe some like hair nails and other stuff that are gonna be eccentric but also different to the feeling when you're touching somebody. And those, mis amores, were 5 different beauty trends that I'm hoping to see in 2023. If you agree with any of these trends, or if you have any other trend that you will hope to see as well in 2023, leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get content like this and a lot more other stuff. I'll see you in the next one, mis amores. Bye!